Tips for removing snow from rooftop. Level rooftops. Lower rooftops found on higher rooftops and zones with railings or floating snow regions are significant concerns. Eliminating snow from the rooftop will limit the chance of basic breakdown. Level rooftops and low slant rooftops are at most serious danger of clasping under extraordinary day-off ice gathering. Lower rooftops, where the snow is moving or gathering from higher rooftops, are likewise helpless. As a dependable temporary worker, you ought to teach your clients about the threats of substantial heaps of snow on the rooftops and the admonition indications of conceivable auxiliary shortcomings. The following are a few hints to impart to clients to help them by eliminating snow from the rooftops. Utilize a rake for slanting rooftops, accessible in most tool shops, to eliminate the snow from your rooftop. Start from the edge and advance toward the rooftop. Attempt to shave the snow in 2 or 3 creeps on the rooftop as opposed to cleaning the rooftop clean, which could harm herpes or other rooftop covers. Remember that any metal device can convey power on the off chance that it contacts an electrical line, and metal instruments can harm the rooftop. Snow scoop from level rooftops that discard snow over the side from the structure. Most plastic digging tools are superior to bended cutting edges, and these will make some harm your rooftop. Cautiously eliminate huge stacks if looming over entryways and passerby walkways. Consider tapping the icicles through the windows utilizing a brush stick. Wear defensive headgear and security glasses when playing out any of these errands. Consider employing experts to manage the work. The blend of statures and ice makes this one of the most risky assignments of the home. On the off chance that you don't employ experts, in any event of somebody outside you in the event that something turns out badly, keep the canals and channel clear. Without ice and day off, keep the soles clean at ground level. On the off chance that it isn't affirmed by an enrolled proficient architect, don't add the weight of the gear to the rooftop. Try not to utilize a stepping stool, since ice will in general be made both on the means of the stepping stool and in the soles of your boots. Try not to utilize electrical warming machines, for example, hair dryers or warming weapons, to eliminate day-off ice. Try not to utilize open fire gadgets to eliminate day-off ice. A cubic foot of dry snow weighs around 7 pounds, while a cubic foot of wet snow can weigh as much as 20 pounds. This is substantial. So if conceivable, building proprietors ought to consider enlisting somebody to help with all the snow leeway. Tell your clients that on the off chance that they discover one of the accompanying issues, it is basic to quickly contact an expert and begin eliminating the snow from their rooftop. Steps: serious rooftop spillage, broken or torn wood individuals, bends or waves on backings, breaks in dividers or brickwork. Eliminate screws from steel outlines, splash heads that have fallen underneath the rooftop tiles, opening entryways, containers of public utility or line associated with the rooftop, cutting, breaking or dropping sounds,